During winter, Vaghrelo Rotlo is a must in Gujarati homes. Today I am giving this traditional favorite a healthy twist with lily hardar or fresh turmeric roots, which boost immunity and aids digestion. Paired with pearl millet, a gluten-free grain rich in fiber and iron, this recipe beautifully blends tradition with health. The best part of it, it's ready under 10 minutes using homemade or frozen rotla. If you are excited to learn my twist on Vaghrelo Rotlo, let's dive right into the recipe. Alright, I have already shared how to make a big batch of rotla and freeze them as a part of meal prep. Today, I am using those same frozen rotlas. To thaw them, you can leave them at room temperature and heat on a tawa, or like me, simply place them on a microwave-safe plate and microwave for 2 minutes. It's quick, easy and saves so much of time, making it easier to break them into rough pieces. The star ingredient for making Vaghrelo Rotlo will be 2 big fresh turmeric roots, lily hardar grated, 5 to 6 spring onions finely chopped, 1/4 cup of fresh garlic cloves chopped, coriander leaves. I cannot describe in words how much healthy this dish is going to turn out to be. Next, before we get to the cooking, let's prepare our buttermilk mixture. This is what gives the dish its tangy, creamy texture. In a large mixing bowl, add 2.5 cups of sour yogurt, 4 cups of water, and season it with turmeric powder, coriander powder, and red chili powder. Whisk it until smooth. Blend everything very well as shown on the screen. Set this aside, it will be the star ingredient in just a moment. The process to make the Vaghrelo Rotlo will be heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil, add mustard seeds and let them crackle, followed by sesame seeds for the nutty aroma. Then toast it minced garlic, green chili, grated fresh turmeric roots, spring onions and curry leaves. Back home in India, we have a giant curry leaves tree. These curry leaves are extra special because they have been carefully dried and sent to me by my mother-in-law. It's such a thoughtful way to keep the flavors of home alive in my cooking. Saute everything for 2 to 3 minutes until it's aromatic. Now add the broken rotla pieces to the pan and roast them for a few minutes. This step is crucial. It ensures the rotla absorbs the flavors beautifully when we add the buttermilk later. Once the rotla is roasted and fragrant, pour in the prepared buttermilk mixture we prepared. I also added equal amount of water because some buttermilk was extra thick. Stir everything gently, ensuring all the rotla pieces are evenly coated. Let it simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. This allows the rotla to soak up the tangy and spiced buttermilk, making it soft and flavorful. To balance the tang, add a tablespoon of jaggery and don't forget to season it with salt to taste. Give it one last stir and your dish is ready to serve. So there you have it, lily hardar Vaghrelo Rotlo. I am just loving it. This is one of my absolute favorite comfort food. Just love this Vaghrelo Rotlo so much. Add it with side salad for a complete meal. This recipe is a beautiful blend of tradition and health. Lily hardar is known for boosting immunity and improving digestion, while pearl millet is a fantastic gluten-free grain rich in fiber and iron. I hope you will try this quick and nutritious recipe at home. If you do, please share your feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Until next time, take care, stay connected and God bless. See you soon. Bye for now.